Streamlining UX design for a food delivery app with Axure RP. As a UX designer working on a new mobile app for a food delivery service, I leverage various powerful features of Axure RP to streamline my design workflow and create an optimal user experience. Here's a breakdown of how I utilize specific functionalities of Axure RP in this project. Wireframing. With Axure RP, I quickly translate the client's requirements and user interviews into low-fidelity wireframes. By utilizing the drag-and-drop interface and pre-built UI elements, I efficiently design the main screens, such as the homepage, restaurant selection, menu items, cart, and checkout process. Interactive prototyping. Axure RP's interactive features allow me to create a realistic and dynamic prototype. I link the wireframes together to demonstrate the app's flow and user interactions. Users can now seamlessly navigate through the app, browse restaurant options, select menu items, customize their orders, and simulate the payment process. Collaboration. Axure RP's collaboration capabilities are invaluable in this project. I share the interactive prototype with the development team, product managers, and the client through Axure Cloud. They can access the prototype online, review the design, and provide feedback by leaving comments directly on specific elements, which streamlines the communication process. User testing. Axure RP's usability testing feature helps me gather essential insights into user behavior. I conduct testing sessions with real users, capturing their interactions with the prototype and identifying pain points and usability issues. This information guides me in refining the design to meet user expectations. Design specification. To ensure seamless handoff to the development team, I generate a detailed design specification using Axure RP. This document includes color codes, typography details, measurements, and other design specifications. Developers can easily access and follow this document to implement the design accurately. Continuous updates. As the project progresses, I regularly update the Axure RP prototype to reflect the latest design changes. This real-time synchronization ensures that all team members have access to the most current version, avoiding confusion and discrepancies during the development phase. Overall, Axure RP empowers me to efficiently create wireframes, design interactive prototypes, collaborate effectively with stakeholders, gather user feedback, and provide clear design specifications to the development team. By leveraging these diverse functionalities, I successfully deliver a user-centric food delivery app that meets the client's expectations and delights its users.